Have you guys, I'm sure you've all noticed power lines around town, right?
Yeah.
Have you ever noticed these green boxes around town?
Yeah.
You have? Do you know what they are? This is the same thing that's up on these poles, but it's buried underground. And we have transformers in here. Does anybody know what a transformer is?
It's like the thing on
Like that? That's right. Okay, what a transformer does is it takes this 4,000 volts and it steps it down to 120 volts so that you can use it to play your Xbox, to watch your TV, so the lights come on.
It's too much
What if it's too much?
in your house.
Okay, in these power lines we have these things built in called fuses. So if there's a surge in power, a fuse will blow. Have you ever seen a circuit breaker in a house? Like if you plug up too many things and it pops and all your lights go out? That's the same thing as that's in these lines. So anyway, we've got these green boxes around town too, and they've got lids on them. If you ever see a green box with a lid open, don't ever touch it, because what's inside is energized just as much as these lines are, and that could hurt you. So here's what would happen if you were to touch the inside of the box.
Do those boxes have lids on, or locks on them?
They do.
So people don't.
That's right. You see that? You see it shocking underneath his feet? That would be very bad. So if you guys ever see a lid open on anything, you go ahead and call it in. Call whoever you need to. If you ever see a power line down, don't touch it. Call it in. Have any of y'all seen metal fences around houses?
Yes.
Okay. Did you know that if a power line fell on a fence, it doesn't matter where on the fence you touch it, it could shock you? And that's because a fence is made out of metal, and metal is what? What did we learn?
It's a
Is it an insulator?
Conductor.
It's a conductor, that's right. So, this power line fell on this fence, and he's touching the fence, and look what's happening to him.
The light bulb, it's what? It's glowing. If it wasn't glowing, we'd know that there was no electricity. Okay, so some remote controls, things like that. My control right here that turns on my smartboard, those don't need a ton of energy, and it uses AAA batteries, something this small.
We kind of made a circuit, so we have to, we can't have a closed path or it wouldn't work. So we use these wires and we connect it, the electricity, I guess, flows through here to the batteries. And we use these, the wires, and we have these, we connect it to from the battery charger things, and it makes this work somehow from something in the back. It's I don't know how to explain that, but and then we use this right here. It's called a U1, and we use it, and it's got some kind of music player thing in it. So
It sounds like a spaceship.
This is supposed to be a lamp socket. Oh wait. No, this is yeah, we had to put that one back right there.
Good job. Okay, try this.
already got it.
I wouldn't dare to do that. You might.
Whoa! We got it.